Hi, everybody. My name is Liz Hoffman. I live in northeastern Pennsylvania. I have my undergrad degree from Penn State University, focusing on human development and family studies. I completed my first year field placement at my old agency I used to work at, Catholic Social Services. For my field placement, I was working at the local homeless shelter called the Divine Providence Homeless Shelter. This was only a nighttime shelter, so it operated from 7 p.m. to 8 a.m. Um, my primary role there was um, shadowing case management and providing case management when I felt comfortable, helping the clients get dinner, get themselves settled each night, and just being an open ear for them to talk to or just someone to listen. Some of these people had some rough situations being in the homeless shelter, and it was just nice to sit down and chat with them just off the grid sometimes. Um, my most recent job, I am working as a school-based behavioral health technician for a company called Northeast Counseling. I am working with elementary and middle school students. So when looking at my job, I think that I will really benefit when it comes to this course because I do work hands-on with the families quite often. I do go into the families' homes right now and work with both the child and the families and the school component, along with the behavioral and the mental health side as well. So there's a lot of collaboration between myself, the families, the mental health professional that's with the school-based program, the school, and any other agency the child might work with for medications or anything like that. When looking at my family structure, I feel like it's very simple. I even felt this way in the past, just creating the genograms. I have my mom and dad who are still happily married and together. I have my older brother and his wife, my niece. I have a boyfriend myself, just very simple. Mom kind of ran the household, dad worked, mom cooked dinner. I'm very thankful to have such a very supportive, close-knit family. Even being 27 years old, it's still that way, and I think it will continue to be that way for the rest of my life. Um, One role that I've played in my own family, I feel just being in the social work field, you tend to be the mediator a little bit when there are issues in the family. I notice myself being the one giving pep talks, motivating everybody, calming each other down when they're picking at each other, and just being, again, an ear for someone to vent to, because sometimes we don't feel comfortable doing that with our family members. Um, but again, being a caseworker, I do the same things with my kiddos. I'm here to let them vent, I'm here to let them cope, I'm here to teach them how to cope, and so I think they play hand in hand. I'm really looking forward to this course. I think it's going to be very beneficial in relation to my work right now. So, looking forward to it, and it was nice meeting all of you. Thank you.